Assalamu alaikum. This is me Dr. Saif Ullah and I welcome you in this video. In this video I will explain that how we can calculate the net present value of the cash flows by using Microsoft Excel. The net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. Normally we use NPV function in Microsoft Excel to compute the net present value of our cash flows. But in this video we will see that when to use NPV function and when we can use XNPV function. Let's start working on Microsoft Excel. Let's suppose we have a project that requires $10,000 initial investment and it will return 2,750, 4,250, 3,250 and 2,750 respectively during different dates. So we will calculate the net present value of this project. To calculate NPV, we will use NPV function of Microsoft Excel equal to NPV, start the parenthesis, rate, comma, and select all values. Value 1, 2, 3 and so on. All values will be selected. Close the parenthesis and press enter. So the NPV will be computed. If we see the values, we can observe that the returns occur in different dates. The NPV assumes that all the payments are received after an equal time intervals. But if the payments are received during different dates, the NPV function cannot provide true values. So we will use XNPV function if the dates are different and the time involved during the return periods are different. To calculate the XNPV, we will use XNPV function of Microsoft Excel, that is equal to XNPV, start the parenthesis, rate, comma, values, all values including initial investment, comma, and dates. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and XNPV returned that the NPV of this project is 1997.64 and there is a difference of around $1,700 between both these functions. So if we conclude the things, NPV assume that the payments to be made in the future will be made on a regular basis with equal time intervals. XNPV on the other hand assume that the payments are not made on regular basis. So if we have a series that has an equal time intervals or regular intervals, then we will use NPV function. But if the cash flows are received during different intervals, then we will use XNPV function. That's all for the XNPV and NPV function. If you have any question related to finance or financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.